Hi, this is Simon Grice. I know this is not ideal. I'm cameraing this on my iPhone because I cannot get the real-time video to save properly. But this is
To the UCL database, medical database management system, which I've created. I'm in Eclipse here. I'm going to now fire up my project, minimize the Eclipse behind it. So this is UCL's patient database management system because our doctors need your data. You notice that there is a secure login page. If you attempt to log in without a username and password, it doesn't allow you to log in. Or if you put in a fake username and password, again, it doesn't allow you to log in. At the moment, there's one username and password, which is Simon and password is the password. And that does allow me to log in. It says, "Hi Simon, you have successfully logged in." And then takes you to the main UCL Medical Database Management System main menu page. Here we have click to add a new patient, click to search for existing patient, or click to exit the system. Let's add a new patient. And the new patient we have to add is Michael Jordan. So we add a name, first name. We add a last name. There are, by the way, mandatory fields here. If we look to click to save patient data without filling in all the mandatory fields, it tells you the next mandatory field that you forgot to enter. In this case, you need to enter a patient's address. Put in their date of birth. I think Michael Jordan is about 40 at this point. That wouldn't be 40, would it? That would be more realistic. So let's give him an address. Let's say it's 1 Bulls Road, Chicago, USA. Let's give him a phone number. And let's give him a medical condition. Let's say he has chickenpox. And let's make him an appointment date, so sometime towards the end of this month, 2015. And we're going to give him comments. Let's just say, greatest player ever. And put a pic in for Michael Jordan. So profile pic for him. And then click to save patient data. The system comes up and says, "Great success, patient saved in system." We can then return to the main menu and we can look for existing patients. Notice that this is a nice JTable scroll down bar. We'll actually see Michael Jordan at the bottom here, but let's use the search field and you'll see Michael Jordan. We can then click to view and or edit selected patient if you wish to do so. That comes up. We see Michael Jordan currently has chickenpox. He didn't have chickenpox, that was wrong. Let's say that he in fact had a broken leg. So we then can resave the patient data there. Click to resave patient data in system. We go back to the main menu and then go to click. We can see that Michael Jordan now, search, now has a broken leg. It has updated his information about his criteria or his medical condition. Notice also that there is only one Michael Jordan. It didn't duplicate. It deletes the old record and then actually creates a new record, but with the same patient ID. So for example, if we look at Bill Clinton here, and we look to view Bill Clinton, there's Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton also has chickenpox. Let's give Bill Clinton a toothache, and we save that patient data. We return. We can see that if we now search for Bill Clinton, there's only one record of Bill Clinton, I guess is my main point. The other point is his patient ID did not change. It stayed at number 11. I guess we didn't notice that. Let's look at somebody else. Let's look at David Cameron. His patient ID here, you can see, is number 13. So as we edit him and we give David Cameron different medical condition, in this case, let's give him glandular fever, and we save his data, when we go to look at it, we can see that there is one David Cameron here, and he still has the exact same patient ID, so all that works. We can also now delete a patient. So if we wanted to delete David Cameron, He's no longer a patient of ours. The button is down here. Click to delete selected patient. That selected patient now comes up and says, great success. We have now deleted David Cameron. And David Cameron is no longer in the system. What about the other David? Let's delete David Beckham. Click to delete selected patient. It comes up with another confirmation to ask whether we're sure we want to delete David Beckham. And now David Beckham has been deleted out of the system. You can see that now there's no more Davids in the systems. Davids are gone. Is there anything else to the system that you should know about? Click to return to main menu. I think that's about it. Click to exit the system, and we're out. Notice that all of the input has been saved into our comma separated file, CSV file. So there is the Michael Jordan we added. There's the Bill Clinton we updated, and you notice in the list there is no David Cameron, David Beckham. They've both been deleted out of the system into the new files after we'd exited the system when we closed. I believe that is it. Thank you very much.